welcome to the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I make cashew yogurt. As you saw, or as you will see, I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this, but I put 2 cups of raw whole cashews into a jar and I covered that with water last night. Now we are going to blend it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. I know there are like how many different YouTube channels out there, so thank you for watching this one. Also, please don't forget to check out my podcast, which is the How to Be a Minimalist Podcast. Let's get on to making cashew yogurt. I have a couple of tips for you. First off, you really want to make sure that everything you use is super clean. Yes, we are trying to grow bacteria, which is what the probiotics are, and it's good bacteria, great for us and all of that sort of thing, but we don't want bad bacteria growing in there. So make sure your blender pitcher is really clean. Make sure that your canning jar or whatever it is that you use is clean. Make sure the measuring cups you use, make sure everything has been washed thoroughly with hot soapy water. First off, just as a warning, you don't put the actual gel capsule in there. Also, I really like this brand. It works well for me. I haven't had a problem, and I've made a lot of almond as well as cashew yogurt, so works great so far for me. All of our acidophilus powder in there, and we are going to go ahead and blend now. You just want to blend until incorporated, so for about like 10 seconds. And if your cashew cream at this point is really hot, then let it cool down quite a bit so that you don't kill the acidophilus probiotic. Alright, I will be checking back in with you tomorrow and I will show you what it looks like now that the cashew soon-to-be yogurt is in the jar and in the sunniest location on my counter. What's out there, Oliver? Who's out there? Huh? Look at what my husband did. See all those cool tiles? Those are hardwood floor tiles this company makes. We decided to put them on our wall. Fantastic idea. And then this thing was like this, just like a wooden color. He painted it and put a tile up there too. Okay, guess what's done? That deliciousness. Oh my goodness. Okay, see all of those air bubbles? Those are a good thing. Also, if you take a look, there's a lot of air pressure in there. Doesn't necessarily make it any better, but it just shows that it's doing its thing. Anyway, that is cashew yogurt. Ooh, and it smells so tangy. Oh, good. So from my experience, this yogurt has lasted about a week in the refrigerator. So once it's all done, it smells really nice and tangy, as dairy yogurts usually do, especially if you compare it to sour cream. Then you know it's done, and then it will go into the refrigerator, and I have not had any trouble using it within 5 to 7 days, and that's usually how long it has lasted for me. But don't forget that if you see anything like that pink or black mold growing in there, get rid of it. Any kind of mold, just, you know, get rid of it. It's no good. Only got the one hand right now, so see. Oh man, it's good. Now if you want your yogurt thicker, you can make it thicker by just adding in less water when you blend it. enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos or minimalist tips. One of the big things for me about minimalism is making sure that my life is as easy as possible while getting the most value and quality out of it. Having some cashew yogurt around might seem like a simple thing to some people, but it allows me personally to keep on eating healthfully in the way that I want to, which is plant-based, and it just makes so much sense for me and my family. So anyway, I hope that you are figuring out what works for your kitchen, and remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.